Okay, guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching from, please like, subscribe, and share. Right, see the subscribe button right here. It's here. Then check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin Fine Script. All right. Check it out on Amazon.com. It's also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omoni. Also available at St. Michael's Abacha. So check it out. Stick around for the news. All right. You're welcome.
Amen. Kabulo bindini nekwere no galaga. Sanele nke suka asirike na ndokwa. Kabulo bifa asirike na ndokwa. Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ
Nanyekwara mmụọ gị.
ka Chineke dị ike niile gọzie ụnụ nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Amen.
Ekele a dị ala ga-esite na nkwado ndị Lost Spice Food and Beverages Limited Nnobi, ndị na-alụpụta Lost Spice Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwotu Mmadụka Close, Nnobi, 081-49-82-82-54. FM 24 hours of information, education, entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On FM 103, the Listen to news updates on FM 103, the FM immediately after interview, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. FM brings the news with actuality.
And believe that people are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GFM.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM news update. Today, Tuesday, the 7th day of May 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Monarch commends Governor Soludo over empowerment of general hospitals. Abia, get ready to refund airport project money. Other looted funds. Oti tells Ibazo. Anambra Cleric Conferred with Chieftaincy title on Father Sunday. 2 workers confirmed dead. 53 still trapped after South Africa building collapse. Now, details. Monarch commends Governor Soludo over empowerment of general hospitals. The paramount ruler of Nnobi community, His Royal Majesty Igwe Engineer Modum Nick Obi, has toured the community's general hospital to see the medical equipment distributed to the hospital by Anambra State Governor Professor Charles Soludo. Igwe Obi was received by the community women leader, Lady Ifeyinwa Nnekwelugo, Chief Medical Director of the hospital, Dr. Caleb Madonemem, a stakeholder in Nnobi, Chief Azubike Nwabu. The CMD, Dr. Caleb, took Igwe Obi around the hospital to see the new set of medical equipment supplied by Governor Soludo. The equipment included 2 oxygen trolleys, 2 sterilizers, autoclave, 1 theater light, 4 stainless waste bins, 4 adjustable theater stools, 5 wall screens, 1 instrument trolley, 2 instrument tables, 1 angle poised lamp, 4 sterilizing drums, 4 patients monitors, 2 suction machines, 10 drip stand, 1 stretcher, 1 incubation tray, 1 CS set. Igwe Kobi, who commended Governor Soludo, noted that the equipment would help the medical officers to discharge their duties effectively. Abia, get ready to refund airport project money. Other looted funds, Oti tells Ibazo. Abia State Governor-elect Oti has told the immediate past administration in the state, headed by Okeze Ibazo, to get ready to return looted funds, including money budgeted for the airport project. Oti, who was reacting to the report of forensic audit of the state's accounts, said his administration is not fighting anybody, but is only interested in recovering looted funds in a bid to ensure good governance. The governor spoke at Mposi during a solidarity visit by supporters and loyalists of the member representing Isialangba South State Constituency, Willand Chinwendo. He stressed that what he wants is the progress and development of Abia State, emphasizing that since the airport was not executed, the project money should be refunded. Oti expressed dismay that some people are insulting him in the media because he disclosed the findings of the forensic audit report. The governor described the solidarity visit by Chinwendo and his supporters as a good omen. Anambra Cleric conferred with Chieftaincy title on Father's Sunday. As with many holidays we celebrate today, Father's Day began as a primarily religious observance, a traditional Catholic holiday celebrating fatherhood. Father's Day has been recognized in some way dating back to the Middle Ages. On the 5th of May 2024, as Catholics all over the world celebrate the children of Jesus Abandoned Charity Home, celebrated the founder of the home and of the schools of numerous disabled children in Orifite, Anambra State, Abuja, and Australia. During the celebration at Jesus Abandoned Charity Home Orifite, Reverend Father Anthony Chedi Anamwa was conferred with the chieftaincy title of Anyanwu Nawarora, meaning by Igwe Dr. Martin Sugu, Igwe Otabilionyanwania of Owore Zioba Autonomous Community, Nsukka, Enugu State. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
As Catholics all over the world celebrated Father's Sunday on 5th of May 2024, the lesser privileged children of Jesus Abandoned Charity Home celebrated Reverend Father Anthony Chedi Ananma for establishing such a home that caters for them as members of High Chief led by His Royal Highness Igwe Martins Ugu Igwe Otabilionyanwania, one of Owore Zioba Autonomous Community in Nsukka, Enugu State, conferred a chieftaincy title on Reverend Father Anthony Chedi Ananwa at Jesus Abandoned Charity Home, Orifite.
Brother Chidi Anthony Ananwa tata ka mmadụ igwe ọtabụrụ onye nwa ọbọba Nsukka na-eji ikike jikọrọ mgbe niile were ejighị anyanwụ na-awara ọra niile ala akụkọ atara.
In appreciation, the cleric affirmed that the title Anyanwu Nawarora 1 came about as a result of his work with Jesus Abandoned Charity Home Orifite, Abuja, and Australia, place where any disabled child gets help irrespective of tribe, gender.
Free education and every Sunday I give them mathematics. Yes, exactly. I'm a then I'm aware of here. I'm also
The Igwe of Owore Zioba, Igwe Martins Ugu, who led the members of the High Chief to the occasion of chieftaincy title conferment on Reverend Father Anthony Chedi Ananwa, explains why the Catholic priest was chosen for the title of Anyanwu Nawarora.
If I remember, if I remember, when you medicine, church, but I'm on the Mana nchisi na-enwere ego ngọba ego maka nchisi echichi agọbala ọfọ ụfọdụ ma agọba so ọ bụrụ echichi bụ okwu n'ime onye isi okwu okwu n'onye isi agọbala gị ọfọ sibara gị ọfọ na ọfọ nchịkọ n'igbo niile ife na ọrụ agọbala ya. So on the
occasion of Father's Sunday celebration, Reverend Father Anthony Chedi and as well as Igwe Martins Ugu explains why mothers are celebrated more than fathers.
Which is not correct. But I believe more can also the other one and didn't cannot do it as a name. By now, you are the Nika, Mana, Kevin Joko, and who's of video. Yeah, and time, who cannot take it.
You may look on you know the God, but ndị be nna bụ n'isi erika nne bụ oriakụ nna bụ kpadakụ anyị nwa kwadife emume ụka nne kwadife emume ụka nna erugwe ụka nna ọkwa nwa bụkwa nna ga-agbagharịkwa ụkata bụ ụka nna agbasara ụka abịa iche echichi so e nwere ife dị iche iche
From Jesus Abandoned Charity Home, Orifite, Ekusugo Local Government Area of Anambra State, Martin Epanchukwu Eke reporting.
Authorities said an additional 20 workers were pulled from the mangled wreckage of the building and were being treated for injuries at various hospitals. City authorities said the building collapse happened just after 2 p.m. in the city of George, about 250 miles east of Cape Town on South Africa's south coast. Hours later, more than 100 emergency personnel were at the site and were likely to walk through the night using sniffer dogs to try and locate survivors, some of whom were found buried under huge slabs of concrete. Cranes and other heavy lifting equipment were being sent to help with the rescue effort. The George municipality said while more emergency responders were being brought in from nearby towns and cities, they were expected to reach the site at about midnight. There were 75 workers at the building site when it collapsed, and family and friends gathered at the nearby municipal offices waiting for news, the municipality said. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Ebona at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Monarch commends Governor Soludo over empowerment of general hospitals. Abia, get ready to refund airport project money. Other looted funds, Oti tells Ibazo. Anambra Cleric Conferred with Chief Father's Sunday. 2 workers confirmed dead, 53 still trapped after South Africa building collapse. Here is a public service announcement about a lost item. Some pairs of shoes and sandals, use of clothes and towel, handbag, student ID card belonging to University of Benin, 1 boy and cup was found in a public vehicle shuttle bus that took off from Head Bridge heading to toll gate. Date was on April 2024. Anybody looking for this item should come to Ebona at the 103.5 FM. There is also a public service announcement about a missing person, a child with Down syndrome, around 8 to 9 years, a boy, but cannot communicate his identity. He was found at Ekuru village, Umoji, around 11 p.m. at night by the vigilant group Ekuru village, Umoji. The parents should come to Ebonade 103.5 FM for more information on this missing person. You just listened to news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Epanshuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka, the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie as Anambra the First. Metal of Ebona, the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it www.amazon.com. Search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or your WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we address these challenges on Ebona FM, who will, as the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Hello, government.
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifeanyichukwu as Anambra the First, every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebona, the 103.5 FM, as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Emas and Ebona, the 24/7, 24/7.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebona, the 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders. And most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona, the 103.5 FM, or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Shay, one them say no more. Ekwa is in Agbadata Igbo, now Anambra State ka emeje. One of the local Jebena residency hotels near Fino, Gidi. One night na-eli emechi ọnụ ma ọkụ ife dị mma nzo, nwanne ife dị mma dị ya nwanne. Iche ebe ebata na room arụ ejuonu ka oyi, where you see luxuriously furnished rooms and suites dị mma. Nwanne ebanyego na their kitchen. Whenever they see their outdoor arena where you can even have all types of events from wedding down to birthday party, for a very, very clean swimming pool of one residency hotels, Leofino, giving ordinary a very serene and secured environment. At kilometer 13, Old Onitsha Enugu Express Road. You can also call them for reservation on 081 40 933 512. Residency hotels dị ofe n'Ogidi. Ife ada akọ n'ebe ọ na-adị nwanne m. Say no more.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining, and then like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Fine quickly. All right, you rock. It's also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abuja. Available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Romania. So check it out. Thank you. You're welcome. Dialogue.